has no limit and no boundaries. और इसी बात को ध्यान में रखते हुए INIFD ने चंडीगढ़ में एक न्यू अकेडमी लॉन्च की है, which is INIFD Academy of Interiors. आइए इस अकेडमी के बारे में थोड़ा डिटेल से जानते हैं.
It's a specialization. It's an interior design course. We have been in the education line since 1995. We've been providing fashion and interiors, but we realized somewhere down the line कि fashion designing जितना important है, उतना ही important आजकल interior designing है. Because पहले क्या होता था, बड़े-बड़े घर होते थे. Now as the spaces are squeezing, छोटी जगहें हो रही हैं, and in that small space, people want the best of everything. So people are hiring lots and lots of interior designers. So the market is growing. So we thought that now is the right time to make our students fully equipped and ready for the market, and that's how we've launched this interior design course today, which is a 3-year and a 1 and 2-year diploma and 3 years degree, as we have been giving interior designing degrees.
कोर्स तो ठीक है, बट आपको ये बताते हैं कि व्हाट्स द मेजर एंड इम्पोर्टेंट फैक्टर ऑफ दिस डिजाइनिंग कोर्स.
So, and the special thing that we're going to be providing our students now is that the students would be mentored by Twinkle Khanna. We know Twinkle Khanna is an actress, all right, but she's a very, very famous interior designer. She runs her studio, White Window, where, you know, it's become like a hotspot in Mumbai. And we also have on our panel many special people who are related to interior designing. We have Wasim Khan, we have Sandeep Kochar, we have Musino Dutti, and he's from CIA International. And lots of these people would be coming down and interacting with our students. They would be sharing their expertise with our students, giving them full knowledge, giving them knowledge about what's the latest. Like we have in fashion, we have Ashley Rebello and lots of people. So same thing we are trying to do for our interior designing students.
इस मौके पर INIFD के डायरेक्टर ने बताया कि उनका मेन फोकस क्या है.
We know that bookish knowledge is not good enough. You know, you have to be practically equipped to go and venture out in the market. Yes. This is our main focus, because they have to know what's the industry all about. It's not just they do the course and it's all theoretical and they go and they're absolutely blank. So here we are going to completely equip them and give them the know-hows of the industry, how the industry works, what is expected out of an interior designer, and then they go out to the market and they show that they're worth it, you know. I'm Ritu Kochar. I'm the founder director of INIFD.
तो चलिए अब ये जानते हैं कि इस कोर्स की मेंटोर यानी कि फेमस इंटीरियर डिजाइनर कम एक्टर ट्विंकल खन्ना क्या कहना चाहती हैं.
Hi, I'm Twinkle Khanna and I welcome you to INIFD Academy of Interiors for a wonderful career in the field of interior design. You will be embarking on a creative journey and I wish you all the greatest success under my mentorship.
So अगर आप कुछ नया और क्रिएटिव करने की सोच रखते हैं, then this is a course you can opt for. कैमरामैन मुकेश पांडे के साथ ज्योत्सना पाटनी, डे एंड नाइट न्यूज, चंडीगढ़.
खबरों की दुनिया में आइए, हमारे साथ कहीं भी और कभी भी जुड़िए. हम मिलेंगे फेसबुक पर, हम दिखेंगे यूट्यूब पर, हमें फॉलो कीजिए ट्विटर पर. खबरों के साथ बने रहिए रात दिन.